Okay, so it's a pleasure to share with you some recent work on collaboration in science concerning the development of the European Research Area, or ERA for short, which represents a long-standing vision to foster innovation and growth within the European Union by creating a competitive, transparent, and coherent science system. So against this background, I'll start with a simple question. Which of these two maps do you think is more representative of Europe's science and innovation system? So which of these two maps on the top, national borders on the left, and EU borders on the right, indicated by the colored countries. And so as it turns out, having analyzed roughly 2.4 million patents, that indeed the EU collaboration borders follow closely the national borders, as shown here in this third graphic. Even more, our analysis showed that the rate of EU cross-border integration stopped increasing in the mid-2000s. So, in follow-up work, we wanted to further understand this stalled integration, in particular, the role of the 2004 enlargement of the EU by 10 countries. So, to be specific, we used the synthetic control method to estimate what would have happened in a counterfactual alternate reality in which each of the entrant countries had not joined the EU. So shown here is the synthetic control estimates for a single country, Hungary. The solid red line shows the actual number of publications involving cross-border collaboration over time, over these years. And the dashed line shows the estimates of what would have happened had Hungary not joined the EU. And so counterintuitively, there would have been more cross-border collaboration or activity had Hungary not joined the European Union. So sharing this general trend were 11 of the 12 entrants from 2004 and 2007. And so if you're wondering about a possible mechanism, how might this be? Here's an explanation motivated by EU migration records, which indicate 530% increase in annual cross-border mobility after the 2004 enlargement. Thus, this mobility-mediated disintegration mechanism is quite intuitive. First, imagine a collaboration between an eastern and western country, and then consider that after the enlargement, any one of the researchers that mediated this collaboration subsequently took the opportunity to migrate westward, basically eliminating this cross-border link. So, as such, our results demonstrate an unintended consequence of the EU enlargement by identifying an important link between the formation of international social capital and the flow of human capital, which leads naturally to the concluding question, how might Brexit alter the collaboration map of Europe?